Hello viewers, Aslam here from LeadsFlex. So in this video, basically I'm going to show you how you can design this type of custom login page. It's a super easy. I can provide code as well in the description box. I will show you how we can design this page, and I can show you some animations. You see it's pop-up animations as well. So let me dive in the video and I will show you how we can work on it. So I'm super easy. I'm just going to log in here and I would like to say send code on a number. Just receive the code 1503. I just log in and after that I can show you how we can utilize them. So right now I'm in agency area and it's super easy. You would like to log in your agency dashboard, and after that what you can do, simply go to the setting. After the setting, what you can do, yes, we are logging here and we will say that it's a company setting, and here we say white label, and in white label area I just provide you this all code. You can simply copy and paste. From where you can find the code, it's super easy. I will provide the code link as well in a description box. Otherwise you can go to leadsflex.com and you can go to this post and you can find on the LeadsFlex as well. I can also provide this blog link in a YouTube description video as well. It's a simple easy. You can just copy and paste this one, and here you see I just provide the commits. All commits and instructions are here. You can follow these instructions and you can change your complete GoHighLevel page. It's an image. If you want a custom image design for your agency, for your services according to your branding, super easy. Go to leadsflex.com and here you can book your appointment, and I can jump with on your call and I will provide you a custom images design, and I also can fix all these things for you as well. So let's check all the codes. For example, this is complete commits here. If you want to change fonts, it's go to here, and if you want to change dimensions, go to here. If you want to change button color, go to here. I have provide all instructions here, so it's super easy. You can just drag and drop and copy and paste this code and your page will be appear here. And here you can also download the images as well. It's super easy. Go to this URL. For example, I just go to this one and I will open this one. Here is the first image. You can download second images as well from here. So that's super easy. Just copy paste the code and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you can go with my affiliate link, I will fully customize your GoHighLevel something like this, and also I can white label is according to your branding as well, and I can provide you free of cost 30-day supports and customizations, landing page and funnel design services as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and my affiliate link in description box below.